Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video I will show you how to fix if your Windows 10 is stuck on the welcome screen. So to fix this issue, first you have to press Alt, Control and Delete together like this. Now you have to press and hold your Shift key and restart your laptop. I will show you how to do it. Press and hold your Shift key. Then go to the restart button and click on restart. Now click on restart anyways. Now wait for your restart. Now here you can see the advanced recovery option. Now go to the troubleshoot option. Now click on advanced option. Now go to startup settings. Now click on the restart button to enter in safe mode. Now you have to choose F5 key, enable safe mode and networking with networking. Now log in with your password. Now go to the search column, type CMD. Here you can see the option command prompt. Right click on it and choose run as administrator. Now you have to enter a command sfc /scan now. Now press enter to scan. It will fix all your corrupted files. It will take around 2-3 minutes to complete this process, and it will replace all your corrupted files and fix your login issue. Here you can see successfully repaired all your corrupted files. Now close this window. Now restart your laptop normally. Go to the restart key and restart your laptop in normal mode. Windows restarting. Now enter your password. And here you can see the issue has been resolved now. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.